Hi guys, welcome back again. So let us just extend that form field with a few text fields and a drop down menu. Okay. So before we have created two fields for a summary, a name and mobile number, and a radio button. Okay. After that, let us again have a text form field because you just need to have a visualization of how the single child scroll view works. So just to fill the screen and have a idea and visualization of how the scroll view works, let us just have a multiple text form fields. Okay, this time let us get the person's email id, so it won't be a numerical value, just get rid of those, and the keyboard also. Okay, and cons dot mail. All right, so as usual, let us leave a gap after that text form field, align it. Okay, so let's just begin with the drop down menu. So as usual, let us have a row because I just need to have a question and a drop down menu, so it will be in a horizontal manner. So let us have a row, the row. Okay, take the children widget. Okay, before that, let us have main axis alignment, which space evenly. So I just want equal spacing between that questionnaire and the drop down menu. Okay, so I just have equal spacing between those. So inside the children widget, let us have the question, which is the text. The query will be enter your city name. Okay, all right. uh, let's have a gap. All right, even if you are not giving it, will be nice looking only. Let's have a drop down button, which takes the, let us get rid of this, let us have a manual discussion. Okay, let us have a value which should be selected city, which we have mentioned above. Okay, the thing is, okay, the items is what you want inside the drop down menu. Okay, which is input string combination. Let us have city a. So you can copy those and you can have a number of values inside that drop down menu. Align it. Okay, so what's wrong is city. Yeah, all right, take the string value. Yeah, all right, let's continue and see. So it's not the, okay, all right, let's have a map. Okay, let's map it to string, which gets the value. So after that, we shall be having, or we shall be returning the drop down menu item. Drop down menu items. Okay, the drop down menu item. Before that, let's define, let's type, this is a string. All right, so inside the drop down menu item, let us have a child, which is a new text, which is the value itself what you have defined. Okay, what you have selected. Now it before that value we should know what the value is. So the value will be value what we have passed here. Okay, right. So it's the child and the value. Where does this end? The value. Let us have this one, and here we need to pass it as a list. Yeah. So this should be like a thumb rule. So you need to have an idea of how it works. So whenever it changes, let us have the function here itself. So let us have it as a new value. Alright. So it takes the set state as usual. The set state be the selected city, which should be the new value, which we get as a parameter, which we get through the parameter. Okay. So for your visualization understanding, let's just print and see it in the console of what the user has selected in the city field. Okay, align it. Okay, where does this end? So we have just completed the drop down menu item. Okay, so let us have two buttons. Okay, let us wrap those inside a row. Okay, children widget. So I just want the buttons to be placed one after the other. Okay, so as usual the main axis alignment, sorry, it would come before the child. Okay, main axis alignment, the main axis alignment dot space evenly is here. Okay, right. So let us have a new raised button. Okay, first the button has a text color. One color, let us give it as colors dot white. Alright, so let us give the white color, and for that button let us give the color as colors dot red. Okay, so I'm not going to have on press the event, so let's leave it as an anonymous. Okay, it has a, so what text you need to have inside that button? Let us give it as, for now let's reset. Alright, okay, so I just created a button, the color red to the reset option. Okay, let's copy it and paste it again. This time let us have it as a green one with submit option. Okay, so alright, now we have created 3 form fields and a radio button, a drop down button, and 2 buttons for submitting those form and resetting the value given. Okay, as of now we have no implementation for the on press event. Okay, so whatever the state changes, you will be get notified on your console on the user has typed. So thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments, and if you want to have the UI development for this form field, you can also let me know in the comment section below. So thanks for watching guys, stay in touch, bye.